What is up, guys? My name's Luke from the legendary Urban Garden, and today we're going on an adventure. So today we'll be headed to, I'm not sure if you've heard of him, but you most likely have, especially if you're watching this video, the epic gardener Kevin Esperanto, if I'm saying that correctly. Hopefully you can correct me. So it's 7:18 right now. The garage sale starts at 9 o'clock, so hopefully we can get there at 9 o'clock sharp, ready to go. So let's head out. Hey guys, so I just got here after that long journey, and we're gonna get in line and see what we can find, and hopefully we can get a dragon fruit. That'll be pretty cool. So let's go get in line and let's check this out. This should be pretty cool. So we just made it in, and now we're gonna go and pick up these dragons. They look really cool. So do you recommend one of these?
All the ones that are good are gone, and when I say good, I don't mean these are bad. I just mean those ones had this is good. You basically have a week head start on this one, for example, because you're getting an actual growth out of the node.
Okay.
So this one is probably good, and honestly, that might be the best one left. So if you're gonna grab one, I would grab this one, and this is an easy variety to grow. This is a Vietnam white, which is self-pollinating, and it's dead simple to grow. Red skin, white flesh.
We just picked this one, this specific one, mostly because you see the little thing that started off right there? Apparently this one has a 1 week head start on the other one, so that should be pretty cool. We just found this shoe rack, and basically what it is, it's for like apartment gardeners and small scale gardening. You can put plants in here, like your herbs and stuff. That's pretty cool. Thank you.
Spider-Man.
Yeah, exactly.
I like that, dude.
Alright, so we just got the photo, and that was pretty sick. I went over there, I made sure to ask him if we could go and take some pictures, and he was up for it, and that was awesome. It was so cool that we got to take a couple pictures with the epic gardener, Kevin. So this is a pretty cool garage sale, and I think it's legendary certified. So let's head out. So this will be the last shot of Kevin's original epic garden. This is a pretty sweet house, like his little yard. It's a very small place, I can tell you that. The amount of stuff he was able to grow was very impressive. He did a really good job, and he's gonna do a fantastic job at this new place that he's got. He's gonna do amazing. So anyways, let's head out, and we're gonna get picked up by that crazy cool limo. Or not a limo, it's just a normal car. Town car, Crown Vic, police interceptor maybe, who knows? Legendary mysteries. We're at the Nestle Burgers, and they have some really good burgers here. Yeah, we left Kevin's place, and now we're out here, and we're gonna pick up some pretty good food. Let's check that out, and we know it's gonna be really good. Once we pick up the burgers, we're gonna eat some lunch, and then we'll head back to the house. So I'm gonna go order that now, so it should be pretty cool. Can I get a lettuce wrap, please? No cheese, please? So we just got back to the legendary urban garden. We are gonna go and take this dragon fruit, go give it some water because it looks a little dry, so we don't want it to die on us. So let's go give it some water and that should help it. So let's go and give some water to the dragon fruit. I also need to water my seedlings right here. All these tomato seedlings right here. They're also seedlings that you need to plant. So anyways, let's get some water to these. Alright, so I just watered the seedlings and I just watered the dragon fruit, so everything should be happy right now. Today was a legendary day. We got to go and see Kevin from Epic Gardening, and today what my goal was to get a dragon fruit, and I came home with an epic dragon fruit. It was really nice to meet Kevin. When I got there, it was about 9:15 and there were several people waiting in line, and everybody was social distancing. Only a certain amount of people were allowed into the yard. Given that it is a small space, only a handful of people could go in at once. Kevin seemed pretty surprised that there was actually someone vlogging. That was pretty cool. So anyways, that is today's vlog of going to see Kevin from Epic Gardening. Thank you for everyone that watched the video. And if you made it this far, thank you very much. Please hit the like button. It truly makes a difference. Thank you very much. And well, one last thing. Today, I came up with a name for all of you. I came up with the name Legendarians. I thought this name was a perfect fit, and well, it should be pretty cool. So have a great day, Legendarians. See you later.